2. The life of the wife of a car guy. Have you ever driven by an old country home and seen just a field of cars and car parts hanging around? And first you wonder, gosh, what a mess. And then you wonder, I wonder how that happened. Well, I'm here to tell you that it probably started something like this. See that? See all those cars? Got about 12 of them. Now, why do we have those cars? Well, there's 3 reasons I've been told of why we have these cars. Number 1, it's such a good deal. I mean, we got these cars for such a great deal. It would be like burning money if we didn't buy these cars. We're actually better off having these cars in our field and not the cash in our pocket than we would be if we had the cash in our pocket. Number 2, these cars are worth a lot of money. I mean, we're gonna restore them and fix them all up, and if we take 10 parts from this one and add it with 3 parts from that one, oh my gosh, we're gonna make something nobody's ever seen before, and it's just gonna be so cool. And thirdly, these cars are gems. There is no reason that these cars, these great cars, let me show you these ones up here. This one is actually is pretty cool. But there's no reason. These cars should not be sitting in a field rusting away. That's ironic, isn't it?